name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Students, do you see these two pictures of garden? In which garden you want to play? I know you will play in clean and beautiful garden because the other garden is so dirty. Garbage is spread all over there. So students, now I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, pollution, in which we will study about different types of pollution and their causes. हम इस टॉपिक में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उन पोल्यूशन के कौन कौन से कॉजेज हैं, इसको डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे इस टॉपिक में. लिविंग थिंग्स लिव इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ कम्युनिटी. अ कम्युनिटी इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल come together for a common purpose and sharing the same environment. The place of living of a living thing is called its habitat. Living things के रहने की जगह को habitat कहते हैं. The habitats together with the other surroundings form an environment. Environment may be healthy or unhealthy. Unhealthy or dirty environment causes pollution, or you can say that the unhealthy and dirty environment is known as polluted environment. जब हमारा environment unhealthy और dirty होता है pollution की वजह से, तो इस environment को polluted environment कहते हैं. A pollutant is any substance or energy that causes unhealthy effects on living things and disturbs the surroundings when it enter an environment. कोई भी चीज या कोई भी एनर्जी जो हमारे सराउंडिंग्स को डिस्टर्ब करती है और लिविंग थिंग्स की हेल्थ पे अनहेल्दी इफेक्ट्स डालती है, उसको पोल्यूटेंट्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, smoke which is come from fire or vehicles or industries, plastic bags, empty bottles and industrial wastage or hospital wastage. Some examples of pollutants. These things make our environment polluted and these things spread pollution. Pollution is very harmful for us and all other living beings. Pollutants may be solids, liquids or gases. Germs are also pollutants. So the students, pollution is something introduced into the environment that is dirty, unclean or has a harmful effect. There are three major types of pollution. First one is air pollution, second one is water pollution and third one is soil pollution. These are three major types of pollution. Air pollution occurs when smoke, dust and poisonous gases entered the air. Water pollution occurs when wastewater from industries, homes enter into freshwater resources such as river, lakes, etc. And soil pollution refers to anything that causes contamination of soil. Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and is usually caused by smoke or other harmful gases. In other words, air pollution is the contamination of air due to the presence or introduction of a substance which has a poisonous effect. Students, air pollution levels near the roads and industries is high. In our classroom, homes, and inside the buildings, air pollution level is comparatively less. एयर पोल्यूशन का जो लेवल होता है वो रोड्स के करीब और इंडस्ट्रीज वाले एरियाज में ज्यादा होता है एज कंपेयर टू आवर होम्स, बिकॉज वहां पे स्मोक, पॉइजनस गैसेस और दूसरे केमिकल्स हमारे एयर में शामिल होके हमारी एयर को पोल्यूटेड कर देते हैं, जिससे एयर पोल्यूशन का लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है ऐसे एरियाज पर. द स्मोक्स व्हिच कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द व्हीकल्स contain sulfur dioxide. It is a very harmful gas for our health and all living beings. It also contains harmful gases like carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is more harmful because it causes various diseases of the respiratory system in human beings which are not caused by other gases like carbon dioxide. Air pollution has bad effects on the health of all living things. Air pollution can cause various diseases like cough and asthma. Air pollution can cause headache and serious health problems like skin cancer. The effects of air pollution vary from person to person. Students, tell me, what have you learned in this topic? Addition of harmful substances to nature is called pollution. Pollution is of different types. Air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. The pollution today is entirely man-made. The smoke coming out from the chimneys of industries causes air pollution. Due to pollution, human health has a bad effect. Air pollution may cause asthma, cough, and other breathing problems. Students, now I am giving you some homework. Do question number 1, 2, and 4 from your book, page number 67, in your classwork copy. These all are short questions. Question number 1 is define environment, pollution, and pollutant. Question number 2 is write names of different types of pollution. And question number 4 is which gas is more harmful, carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide? Give a reason. These all are short questions. Do these questions into your classwork copy from your book, page number 67. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.